Hello beloved friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louviere and I am your beauty and lifestyle guide. I want to share with you how to do your makeup if you're going as a guest to a wedding, because this is a big deal, right? You got invited to the wedding, now you have to do your own makeup and you want to make sure that you show up looking beautiful, radiant, and obviously making sure that that makeup is gonna stay on your face, girl, right? We want it to have longevity. We want it to feel like us. You can use the techniques that I use today on kind of any color of eye that you're doing. If you don't want to do any eye, you don't have to do that, but following the steps for this video is going to give you a really good base. In case you need a beautiful inspiration for fall for your nails, this manicure made me smile. For the face, we're going to be using this L'Oreal Lumi Skin Tint. It is affordable and so beautiful on the skin. You cannot go wrong with this foundation. It's long lasting and it goes really well underneath what I'm about to use for concealer. I love using these little clips to hold my hair back and putting my mascara to warm up. Then you want to take a brush that does not have any product on it and you want to go ahead and make sure that all of the foundation is seamless with this brush. Next, you're going to want to do some eye drops that make your eyes nice and white. I love these Lumify drops. They make your eyes look great, especially for a special event. Next, I like to go in with something like this Lawless lip gloss that plumps the lips very nicely as I'm doing my makeup. Now you can start filling in your eyebrows. I love this Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit. Next, you're going to want to contour or bronze up your face. I love this Dew Bronze Soft Focus Effortless Liquid Bronzer from Stay Beauty. It is so good. I've used this now for a very long time, and I love the way that it just melts into the skin. Next, we're going to set the face with this Air Set Translucent Powder from Stay Beauty. It is my favorite setting powder. It is so good. You want to go ahead and just do the mid parts of your face and not really going to the extremities of your skin. Now you're going to want to use this iconic Smoky Eye Duo dual-ended eyeliner. This has an eyeliner for the bottom part with the nude color, and it has a color for chocolate brown. You can use it inside your eye, and you can put it on top of your eye as a chocolate brown base for eyeshadow. Now you're going to grab a little brush and make sure to diffuse that really nicely. Next, you can use a liquid eyeliner like this Milani's Stay Put Tank Liquid Eyeliner in chocolate brown. It is so good. It stayed all day on me. I kind of cried a little bit at the wedding, so it was waterproof. It is such a good liquid liner, guys. And you can do a little wing, and you can master this by practicing. Practice is your friend. Next, we're going to go in with this liquid cheek flush from Stay Beauty. This is in the color Rosy and it's so beautiful. You only need a tiny little bit and then you blend it out like a dream. This is their Dew Blush and it is so good. We're going to top it all off with this Milani Baked Blush. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I just love it. It's so affordable. I love it. Now we're going to take something like this Stila liquid eyeshadow and we're going to make a beautiful little shimmery action right on top of the lid. It is such a beautiful step. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it just gives the eyes a really pretty look. Now we're going to go in with a lip liner from Say Beauty that is my favorite color of all time, French. We're going to go with Christian Dior highlight and we're going to highlight those high points of the face, the nose, and just a little bit in the inner corner of the eyes to bring your eyes back to life. You can use a little brush to minimize that look. We're going to curl those lashes, girl, curl them really well. And we're going to go in with the mascara. I love this Ilia mascara in chocolate brown. It is so good. You're gonna look so beautiful for the wedding that you're going to. One of my favorite things to do when I'm getting ready is to proclaim the truth of Christ upon myself because the enemy is so cunning. He wants to destroy our hope and our joy, and he doesn't want us to see ourselves the way that God sees us through Jesus' sacrifice. In our own strength, none of us are enough. None of us are worthy of the love of God, But because of Jesus and what he did on the cross, Romans 8 says, "There is therefore now no condemnation on those who are in Christ Jesus. Of Christ has saved you from the law of sin and death." See, Jesus paid the price for you to look in the mirror, and when you're getting ready, for you to say, "I am a beautiful creation of God. I am made in the image of God, and he loves me, and he doesn't make junk, and I am beautiful because he loved me first." When we proclaim who we are in the midst of our maybe doubt and I have self-doubt every single day of my life. I can tell you this, I was plagued with that when I was younger, but I still, at 41 years old, struggle with low self-esteem sometimes. I look in the mirror, especially right before my cycle comes, and my luteal phase, I feel a little funky. And right now, to be honest with you, I am in my luteal phase and I feel a little funky. So I have been having to push myself to say, you know what, Libier, get ready to honor God, and not for anything else but other than to worship God and to celebrate what he created in you through him. So if you are getting ready today, I invite you to do that. Speak life and truth over yourself. Okay. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do my hair for the wedding, but I think I might be doing a cute little braid action, and then I'm gonna do a little pin. I'm wearing a satin chocolate skirt, like chocolate brown skirt, and I still have to figure out what top I'm gonna wear, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do a pretty little deal here, and then put a little bow right there. Sometimes simple is best, you know? I feel like this is a great... And voila, just like that, you are ready for the ball, friend. I hope that you have a wonderful time at your wedding, and that you know that you are beautiful no matter what you look like. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, so that it could reach more people just like you. And comment down below, let me know, what are you gonna wear to the wedding? Let me know your outfit. I would love to hear. I wanna be in the know of what you're wearing to that wedding. Please let me know, because for me, it was a little hard getting my outfit ready. So let me know so that next time I get invited to a wedding, I have some ideas. I'm gonna share one final tip with you. If you got mascara anywhere on your eyelid, make sure to let it dry. Do not touch it when it's wet. And then grab a cotton swab and just pass it through anywhere you got a little bit of mascara. And no problemo. We are so excited. Wedding vibes, wedding vibes, wedding. And for today's perfume, we're gonna do Chloe. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It's a really good wedding fragrance. Oh, this is one of my favorite scents of all time.